Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Michael Williams here. Really quick announcement. I'd like to invite you guys to download this audio affirmation mobile app. Many of you struggle with regretting times when maybe you've gotten stuck, stammered, stuttered, blocked in the past, and so you're thinking about it, or you're anticipating or worrying about some future speaking situation where you have to get on the phone, you have to do a Zoom call, you have to order food, and so you're worried about it. One of my clients said that he used to anticipate, like he used to start getting anxious and worried the day that he had to go to work. So just before he had to go to work, he started to think about, oh my God, I wonder, am I going to be able to speak well today? So what I've done upon request from actually a lot of people is I've created just a very, very short 10 minutes or less audio affirmation, and it's housed in a mobile application that you can download. And so it's absolutely free. So there's the link right here. I'm also going to post the link in the description of this video. So you'll see that when we're done. And you can go there and you can register and you can get access to this audio absolutely free. There's two audios in there. There's an introduction and then there's the actual affirmation audio. And the way that you want to use this is just listen to it multiple times throughout the day if you have time. You can listen to it while you're driving, while you are working in some cases, while you're exercising, while you're cleaning. So this is something that we call passive learning. And I do have some other affirmational audios available as well, but it's just a short one that I did specifically for you. It's absolutely free. So go ahead and get access to this now. This will help you to change your thinking, the way you think about yourself, the way you think about your speech, and the way that you think about your speaking situations and speaking experiences. So once again, absolutely free, no charge to you. Go ahead, get access to this audio, and would love to hear in the comments when you go into this mobile app. I want to hear comments about what you think about it and if in fact it is helping you. I know that things like these that I've done in the past has helped lots and lots of other people. So I'd love to hear from you as well. Okay. Thank you so much. We will see you guys later.